Hello viewer, if you face WhatsApp setting problem, let's see how to fix WhatsApp setting disappeared or missing problem. Step 1. Tap and hold on WhatsApp app. Click on I button. Now from the lower corner, tap on Force Stop. Now force stop your WhatsApp app. Now scroll down. Go to WhatsApp storage. From the lower right corner, clear cache data from WhatsApp app. Now go back to your home screen. Now open Google Play Store or App Store. Now search WhatsApp app. From here, update your WhatsApp app if it available for you. Now go back and follow the most important part. Go to your phone setting. Now search airplane mode or flight mode. Turn on airplane mode for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, turn off airplane mode. It helps to reset your network. Now open WhatsApp. Now click on 3 dot. Now see WhatsApp disappeared or missing setting successfully show in your account.